So, it happens. Phone stopped to work, but it's okay, you know. We're gonna find a way out. It's okay, it's alright, guys. Do you see it? What? It's okay. It's okay. The day with mommy.
Ale, ¿cómo es la canción de...?
Me quiero imaginar contigo en cualquier playa para hacerla nuestro hogar. Me ha costado verme al otro lado y ahora me estoy dando la razón. Tenía tus palabras en mis manos, ven a ponerle voz, algo de corazón. ¿Cuántas son las vidas que has cambiado? Son nuevos los lugares donde voy. Puedo verte a mi lado, miro al cielo y he encontrado la razón por la que siempre hablo de ti. Porque sé que estás aquí, porque siempre estás aquí. Me quiero imaginar contigo en cualquier playa para hacerla nuestro hogar. He pensado en viajar al 23 de junio en esa noche de San Juan. Siento que me ahoga y que me mata la idea de que pueda estar sin ti. Te esperaré un día más en mi terraza, imaginando nuestra vida en tu jardín. Valdrá la pena, valdrá la pena, valdrá la pena. Me quiero imaginar contigo en cualquier playa para hacerla nuestro hogar. He pensado en viajar al 23 de junio en esa noche de San Juan. Me quiero imaginar contigo en cualquier playa para hacerla nuestro hogar. He pensado en viajar al 23 de junio en esa noche de San Juan.
Oh.
Ha sido... No. Si queréis ver al real Alessandro, es este. Este
This
es
is crazy,
real
guys.
Alessandro.
This is crazy. Looking for
Haciendo
things like in the
comida
bin, because
y la
here
basura.
groceries they put all the stuff that they are not, let's say, good
And the mass of the pizza.
in the bin, and there are
The
so many
bread.
things good, especially in winter, because it's like a fridge.
I mean, this is really insane.
So
Yes, because this, it's okay,
I mean,
no?
it's funny to experience both.
What's wrong?
Getting food for free after go to a restaurant, pay a lot for food. It's crazy life. It's really crazy.
Cold, of course, but
Zero pressure.
No, yes, like this.
One hand and
Yes, exactly.
Oh mama.
Oh, mama.
Put it all, like,
Okay.
and then,
And then separate it.
put.
Okay.
No.
No lo he grabado bien.
Porco due, cioè.
Muy bien, Alessandro. Alessandro, very good.
Si gode. Holy shit. It's perfect.
Vale.
Here we are, guys. So I'm with Lucas.
yeah.
Really nice guy from Norway, because today, yesterday we started a trip, one night with the canoe, one night outside, and we did with the other two classes, Norwegian students. So that's how we met, and we were in the same canoe paddling together.
Yeah.
And the place is fucking amazing. And yesterday we went with the canoe around 10-15 kilometers, camp, really beautiful spot. And today we are carrying the canoes on some pieces, some trails, because we need to reach the lake, and we did it, and it was great. How was for now, Lucas?
It was beautiful.
Oh, yeah, it was really nice. This small trip
together
with the Norwegian class, and I remember the words of Ivar He the professor of their class, but also our class, and he said us
Update you
that
soon.
it was really nice to have our class with them because we give them a different perspective. But I have to say that it's a pleasure for us to be with the Norwegian class, to know better the culture and people, and so. And this professor is great, Ivar. We love them. We love him. It's great.